Now let us quickly check as to why would the refraction take place. We know that the refraction occurs. We know that the refraction takes place. But why? The reason is, supposedly you have, this is water. You are swimming in a lake or river and you are inside the water. This is air. Then it is observed that the speed of light in air is more, but the speed of light in water is lesser. As a result of that, what will happen is, whenever the light is coming from air, now this distance in air is quite large, but because it is moving very fast, there is no problem. Because this is slow, the light in water is slow, the speed reduces. It wants to make sure that it does not travel through this dense area. It is still, in comparison to air, there is density here, and this is still, imagine this is empty road and this is slightly less empty road. So there is some traffic here. Although the speed here is still good, but it is not nothing compared to this. So the water wants to make sure कि ये part जल्दी खत्म हो जाए. So it will bend towards the normal to make sure that the distance here is reduced. Otherwise, it would be traveling so long distance. But to eliminate traveling such a long distance, the water changes its direction. The light changes its direction and it goes in a certain direction. So the speed of air here is CA. Speed of light is represented by C, and this is CW. The refractive index mu, A mu W, is equal to CA upon CW. Same A mu W is equal to sin I upon sin R. What is A mu W? Refractive index of air with respect to water. The refractive index of water with respect to air is equal to sin I upon sin R. Refractive index of water with respect to air is equal to speed of light in air upon speed of light in water. In general, we have 1 mu 2. Refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1 is C1 upon C2. This is how the refractive index is calculated, and the basic definition of refractive index of a given medium, initially it was only with respect to air always. Then people said, why? We can have water here and right on top of the water we can hold a glass plate, or right below the water, right at the bottom of the water I can hold my glass plate here. So there will be water and glass. So then there was could be eliminated. WG glass water or water glass, we can use that. लेकिन इन सब में सबसे बड़ा important point क्या था? सबसे पहले कैलकुलेशन थे सिर्फ एयर के साथ. So we have speed of the refractive index of water with respect to air, A mu W is equal to C upon CW. Similarly, refractive index of glass with respect to air is CA upon CG. Speed of light in air upon speed of light in glass. We know that the speed of light in air is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. So if you know this value, we can calculate this value. Or if you know this value, we can calculate this value. That's how the numericals can be sorted.